everyone, I am Jonabel Niegas, taking the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I am here to explain on how the memory management work. So, what is memory management? The memory management is the process of controlling and coordinating computer memory parts. Code blocks are allocated to various running programs to optimize overall system performance. Memory management resides in hardware, operating system, and programs and applications. So in this subject, platform technology is a group of technologies that are used based upon which your applications, processes, or technologies are developed. So there are more knowledge to learn, and deepest part to seek more information to get the answer we need. So therefore, I will try to seek about the memory management, or I will try to explain the steps taken in order to achieve by controlling and harmonizing attractively the computer memory. This memory management makes certain the availability of acceptable memory for the objects and data structures of each running program at all times. So, how does it work? Main memory refers to a physical memory, which is the internal memory of the computer. The main memory is called the RAM, and the computer can only change the data in the main memory. Therefore, every program you execute and every file you access must be copied from this storage device to the main memory. So, I will explain on how. So, dito sa main memory, ini-insert ang data which is tinatago ito when the processor is actively using them. Example, the USB drive, memory cards, optical disc, and more. And there are requirements of memory management system. So memory management meant to satisfy some requirements that we should keep in mind. Number one is their relocation. What is relocation? When we use memory management system, kailangan natin i-move to a new place and establish the process to different area of a memory. Next, protection. What is protection? Every click and enter in a computer system, there is a danger or a virus break your protection. Thus, every process must be protected against unwanted interface. At may iba naman na proseso na sinusubukang magpatuloy sa proseso at kung ito ba ay disgrasya o sa pilitang ginawa. Between relocation and protection, required trade of occurs as the satisfaction of relocation requirement increases the difficulty of satisfying the protection requirement. Next, the sharing. When it comes to sharing, there will be protection to be inserted. Kasi kung walang protection ang device tapos kinonect sa device mong malinis, magkakaroon ito ng virus or madadamage. So it is the task of memory management to allow controlled access to the shared areas of memory without compromising the protection. Next, the logical organization. When it comes in logical organization, ang main memory ay naka-organize to linear which made up a sequence of bytes or words. To effectively deal with the user program, the operating system and computer hardware must support a basic module to provide the required protection and sharing. The last one of requirements of memory management system is the physical organization. When it comes to physical organization, has a two level. So, the physical organization has a two level such as main memory and secondary memory. Ang main memory ay ang pinakamabilis at mahal kumpara sa secondary memory ay dahil ito ay nagpro-provide lamang siya ng storage para sa data in a long term, while the main memory holds currently use the programs. Next, what is the role of memory in a computer system and operating system? The explanation is here. People in the computer industry commonly use the term memory to refer to RAM or random access memory. A computer uses RAM to hold memory, a temporary instructions and data needed to complete tasks. This enables the computer CPU or central processing unit to access instructions and data stored in a memory very quickly. So, ang ating central processing unit ay isang pinaka-importanteng part of role in a memory in a computer system. A good example of this is when the CPU loads an application program such as a word processing or page layout program into memory, thereby allowing the application program to work as quickly and efficiently as possible. In practical terms, having the program loaded into memory means you can get work done more quickly with less time spent waiting for the computer to perform tasks. The process begins when you enter a command from your keyboard. The CPU interprets the command and instructs the hard drive to load the command or program into the memory. Once the data is loaded into memory, the CPU is able to access it much more quickly than if it had to retrieve it from the hard drive. So this process of putting things the CPU needs in a place where it can get at them more quickly is similar to placing various electronic files and documents you're using on the computer into a single file folder or directory. By doing so, you keep all the files you needed handy and avoid searching in several places every time you need them. This is only my explanation and my slides on how the memory management control, rule, use, and other parts of memory management. Thank you for watching.